The following is for 2011 Math 227 Test 3. In this video, I will do number 1. Please take note that this is also the question that Melanie asked in her fall 2011 Math 227 Test 3, number 3. So in her test, it's number 3. In my test, it's number 1. Okay, you want to estimate the percentage of California statistics students who get grades of B or higher. So that's the percentage, okay, or the proportion. How many such students must you survey if you want 97% confidence that the sample percentage, that's the p hat, is within 2 percentage points, or that's 0.202. Okay, now let's start. The confidence level is 97%, right? The margin of error is 2% or 0.02. Okay, now if I draw the normal distribution there, I need 97% in between, and the critical value will give us the tail area 1.5 on the right hand side and 1.5% on the left hand side. Okay, now the one in question is, what is the n? Now if you look at the table, the critical value, the z critical will be 2.17. okay, if you look at the table, it's 2.17. Let's take a look. Zero point zero one five, this one here, right? It will be negative 2.17. That's the area to the left, to be 1.5%. Okay, that's how we get that thing. Now then, from here we start our computation. We see that the margin of error, according to the formula we have, is given by the critical value times the square root of p hat q hat over n. Now I'm trying to solve for n here, so this is what I get. Unfortunately, the p hat q hat is not given to us, therefore later on we'll use p hat to be 0.5, or the product of p hat q hat will be 0.25. But let's see here, this is n will be the ceiling of c critical squared times p hat q hat over margin of error squared. If I plug in the numbers, that will be 2.17 squared times 0.25, right? That's a 0.5 times 0.5 here, over 0.02 squared. Now when you compute that, later on you will see this is the ceiling of 2943.06. I always, basically whatever number you get there, you always round it up. Okay, that will be 2944. That's the that is the number of, that's the sample size that you need to have to put to estimate the proportion of California stat students who get grades B or higher. Now you need to survey 2,944 students such that you have 97% confidence level, and the error is within 2 percentage points. Okay, this is from fall 2011 Math 227 Test 3 number 1, which is also appears in Melanie's fall 2011 Math 227 Test 3 number 3 in her test.